bathroom sink leaking drain in the wall. You're going to expose the leak by opening the wall. This is underneath the bathroom sink, and we expose the drain pipe underneath, or inside the wall I should say, and trying to get on this. And as you can see, the drain pipe is just completely broke and separated. It's a major leak. So open the wall more, expose more of this drain pipe, and it's actually broke in two different places. Here are the broken drain pieces that have been removed from the wall. This is the drain for the bathroom sink. And as you can see, it was completely cracked and broke on two sides. Broken drain pieces have been removed. All new drain fittings are installed.